Hello everybody, this is Caitlin with the Twinsburg Library here for another awesome story and science. And today we are going to be talking about volcanoes, which are super cool. And we're even going to make our own volcano out of a lemon. Are you guys ready? All right, before we start doing that, let's learn a little bit about volcanoes. We're going to read a portion of this book because it's kind of long, but we're going to read Earthquakes, Eruptions, and Other Events That Change Earth by Natalie Hyde. All right. Is a planet of change. Earth's surface is always changing. Most of these changes happen slowly. They can take hundreds or even thousands of years. Some changes, however, happen quickly. In fact, Earth's surface can change in a matter of minutes, hours, or days. Natural disasters such as earthquakes, volcanoes, and tsunamis can happen without warning. They can change Earth's surface in a big way very quickly. An earthquake's shaking can create large holes or cracks in the land. A volcano's hot lava can create new landforms when cool. And the wall of water from a tsunami can destroy forests, roads, and buildings. Layers. Earth is not a solid ball. If you were to cut our planet open, you would see it is made up of 4 layers. The inner core is at the center. It is a solid ball of metal. Around this inner core is the outer core. This layer is liquid metal. The next layer is called the mantle. Mantle is made of solid rocks and minerals. The top layer is the crust. All right, we're going to skip ahead a little bit so we can talk about volcanoes. A volcano is an opening Earth crust where hot melted rock and ash from inside Earth erupts or shoots out. Some eruptions happen once every few years and last only a couple of hours. Other volcanoes continue erupting for weeks, months, or even years. This volcano in Hawaii has been erupting since 1983. Melting rocks. Volcanoes reshape Earth's surface. When the lava shoots out of the volcano, it flows down the sides and over the land below. The lava is so hot that it can melt rock. Boulders and hills can melt away. When the lava cools, it hardens into new rock. This new rock is full of minerals. After a few years, the new rock breaks down and turns into rich farmland. A large flat area of cooled lava is called a lava field. Ooh, volcanic islands. Volcanoes can create new islands. When a volcano erupts, lava flows out of it. Some volcanoes erupt underwater. As they erupt over and over, the lava cools and builds up a cone-shaped mountain around the opening. When the mountain gets big enough, it breaks through the surface of the water, creating an island. This Stromboli volcano has been erupting for at least 2,000 years. Making islands. The Hawaiian Islands are volcanic islands found in the Pacific Ocean. The islands are the peaks of large mountains formed under the ocean by volcanic eruptions. Some Hawaiian island volcanoes are no longer erupting. Others are still active in creating new land. That is awesome! Now I think it's time for us to make a volcano. All right, so all for this experiment, all you need is a lemon, some baking soda, a knife, and a plate, and if you want to make it super cool and a little bit more volcano-y, some red food coloring. So all you have to do is very carefully, we're going to take our lemon, and we're going to cut it in half, like so. Our lemon is kind of like the Earth, where we have the center, the mantle, and the core and everything, and then we also have the crust. Kind of cool. All right, so then, now the fun part is you guys can take a butter knife or a fork or whatever, and you get to stab the lemon. So we're going to stab it to make all the juice come out, like so. Just stab it. And then I'm going to add a couple of drops of food coloring, just so that we can see a little better and it looks nifty. Like that. Just 3 is good enough, as you see. All a little red. And then comes the fun part and the eruption. So the lemon juice is an acid. We are going to add a base, which is baking soda, and that's going to make a chemical reaction and make a gas. So what we're going to do is we're going to pour some baking soda on it, and oh my goodness, it's erupting! If you want to make it erupt some more, you can stab it and get more lemon juice out of there. And we have an exploding lemon volcano. I hope you guys like it, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!